Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download and install the MetaTrader 4 trading app on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and install the MetaTrader 4 trading app on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. But before we download MetaTrader 4, there's one important thing you need to understand. MetaTrader 4 or MT4 is just an app. It does not work by itself. You will need an account to actually use it in trading. Those accounts comes from something called a broker. A broker is the company that connects MT4 app to the real market. They handle trades and hold your account. So when you download MT4, you'll have to download it from an actual broker website like IC Markets, Pepperstone, or Exness. But don't worry guys, they all use the same MT4 platform. The only difference is which broker you'll be connected to. So now to download it, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to go to the official website of the broker platform that you chose. In my case, I will download MT4 on the IC Markets broker, so we'll just search for icmarkets.com on my search bar. And now that we're on the official website of IC Markets, next, I want you to click this platform tab at the top. And then select MetaTrader 4. And after that, you will now see the download button for the app. Just go and click it. And after clicking it, you will then be directed to the login page of the broker. So you would need to have an account first before you can download the app. So if you already have an account, just log it in right here. But if you don't have an account yet, you can create one by choosing between these two options. So for the account options, we have a demo account and a real account. Choose demo account if you just want to explore and test trading on the app. This way, you can try without spending any money. But if you are serious and experienced trader already, you can choose open a real account. In my case, I will choose to create a demo account just for this tutorial. And then you can now start creating your account by entering your name, email, and phone number. And once you're done entering, you can now click this button. And after that, the broker will send you a verification email, so just go to your Gmail to find it, and make sure that the Gmail account that you will open is the same Gmail account that you used earlier. And once you've opened the email they sent, you will see a link. Just go and open it. And then after that, you can now set your password. Make sure to use a strong password since your account security is very important. And then after that, you can now start logging in your account. Just enter your account email and password to log in. And then your account will now be logged in. So for the next step, I want you to go to Downloads. And here on Downloads, you will find the trading apps that you can install. So just scroll down until you see the MetaTrader 4. And once you see it, just click the download button. And after that, the installer file for MT4 will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then the app will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, there you go guys. The MT4 app will now be installed, so you can now open it. And then right here, you can choose to open your account. There's an option here to create a demo or real account, but since we already created an account earlier on the website, choose existing trade account. And then you can just log in your trader account right here. But you might notice here guys, that login field only accepts numbers to be entered. That's because every trading account is given a unique account number, also called login ID. If you already created a real trading account and not a demo, your broker will give you this unique number, so you just need to enter it here with alongside password. But if you're using a demo account just like me, I will show you how you can get a login ID. So for that, I want you to go to the IC Markets website where your account is opened. And then go to the Accounts section. And then select MetaTrader 4. And here, you can now generate your demo account by clicking Open Demo Account button. And then there it is, guys. You will now have an account with its corresponding account number and password, so just enter it on the login field of the app. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.